Hello all, welcome to one-stop automation platform, TestEnsure. Experience worry-free test automation from day one. A comprehensive solution for all your test automation needs. This is a SaaS offering, and once you have access to it, you can use the provided credentials to log into TestEnsure platform. Once user is logged in, by default the home page is displayed. It has links to the project repository and create new project based on the user role. Along with that, it also has the latest release metrics displayed. On the left side, it has the links to access the modules based on the role. Clicking on all projects takes to the projects list view page. Only the projects to which the user has access will be displayed here in this view. In order to create a new project, user would click on the New Project button and then enter all the project information. Description, status, access permissions to whom the project access would be given, etc. One need to select the associated automation project tied to the Jenkins pipeline. After all required details entered, click on Create Project. Once the project is created, user can basically import the manual or automation test cases to the project based on the modules that user has for upload. So by default it's automated. If user wants to upload manual test cases, one can select manual option and upload the manual test cases file. That file is required to be in the format of TestEnsure's template. For automated, one can basically drag and drop the automated execution file in JSON format along with corresponding test data file is Excel format. This is how project test repository is created. One can always go back and add a number of modules to the project as needed. And then if you want, if this is in future, if there's some change in your automation project test cases, like scenario get a few steps added or some changes or whatever might be there, and you have a new execution file JSON that can be uploaded or replaced by existing by dropping the file. So that's pretty how the repository is created. The next step after repository creation is the releases module, where user can create a new release and execute the automated test runs, automation or manual or hybrid runs. So for that, user would click on New Release button, enter all the release information like release name, version, date, etc., and select the project module that user want to be executed for the release. After that, one can add modules, select the modules available, and then select the tags and priority and basically add the module to the release. And one can do this based on the requirement of how many modules to be executed for this particular release. And once that is done, the release will be created and will be shown in the list view of the releases. Then the next step, what user would do is to execute or kicking off the test runs for the release. For that, user clicks on Run from the release action menu. And once that is done, background automation jobs are created through the Jenkins pipeline where the execution happens in the background. For each release, there would be one or more test automation runs based on the criteria. All the release execution details are displayed with the chart highlighting the run metrics. Number of test cases, passed, failed, skipped, etc. For the test runs, once the execution is completed, like the test run status is going to be displayed. For each test run, the execution details are captured at test case and test step level, with each test step capturing the evidence screenshot along with the execution log. This is crucial information that will help troubleshooting an issue in the event of failure, as well as evidence of the test execution for audit and compliance requirements. Along with that, TestEnsure also provides the dashboard that gives insights into the release level and test run level metrics like cumulative trend chart, summary chart, failure report, execution duration, etc. All these metrics and charts are very insightful to get real-time health of the upcoming release and its readiness. Hope this provides a comprehensive overview of TestEnsure and its features.